everyone.
Good evening.
To have me with you right now. For some, I am the standard pocket money. For some, I am the daily wage earned with hard work. And for some, I'm just a piece of paper. I was green first, but then I got a makeover. My pink self was really proud over the new body. But did that pride stay? Let's see. When I was made in the mint of Reserve Bank of India, I was very happy. Why? Because I was placed on the top of the new bundle. I felt very excited. What will be the world like? Will the people like me? Will I be used to help someone? Or will I be used in bad businesses? I was very happy, but I stayed with my friend for a few days. 500 rupees was very rude to me. She laughed at me and said, "Ha ha ha, don't be so happy, your value won't stand in front of me." I did not know what to say. I stayed with my friend, and later on, a rich lady came to withdraw the cash. She was rich. I was given to her and she kept me in her beautiful purse. I was feeling jubilant, such a wonderful start. Then she had to give the salary to her maid. It was almost the end of the month. She mostly uses credit cards for payment, but this time she had to give cash. Therefore, I was given her it. The maid was a simple woman who worked hard. One day when I was in her purse, I heard that, Mom, please buy me a new shirt for my birthday." She replied to her son, "But son, it is too expensive. I will think about it." Since I was a new note, she decided to use me for her son's shirt. The kid seemed so happy. I was feeling proud over myself that day. Life had been good so far. The shirt seller seemed to be a good man. He kept me along with his other notes in front of Goddess Lakshmi and thanked her. Next day, he brought some fruits, and this was very strange to me. I thought for fruits it's just 20 or 50 rupees. Why me? 100 rupees for fruits? Nah. I realized that 100 rupees was not for fruits, but it was like just, my value was spent each time very differently. The fruit seller's son gave me away at the petrol pump. And at the petrol pump, I was very scared. Was I not supposed to be used for buying expensive things? Was I not supposed to be used for paying fees? And then I realized each time my value was different for each commodity. I saw every note at the petrol pump, even 500 at the petrol pump. Maybe she was right about me. My green ancestors were respected more and used carefully. I went on going places to places, person to person, and this time I was being used as just petty expenses like paying for buying snacks and just vegetables. I wanted to be valued more. But lastly I was sent to the lady. Eventually I reached the lady's office and she kept me in the wardrobe, in the locker of her wardrobe as an emergency exit. And one day I heard a loud noise. "Are you giving me the money or not?" "No, please understand, I kept it for us. It is hard to earn." "You give me that cash right now. I cannot keep my friend waiting. Please try to understand, it is hard to earn." The lady was crying. I heard the noise and I was taken away from the wardrobe. The lady was crying. It seemed that her husband wanted to use me for silly things. She immediately tried to take me from his hand, and in this moment, I was slightly torn. their voice silent. Later on, she took me and the other note in her office and said to the peon, take these notes, old notes, and get them exchanged. The peon submitted me to the bank, and I was lying in the corner of a desk. My life is over. If I am to be born again, I wish to be 500 or 2000 notes, because being a 100 rupee note is very hard. They won't value you. Even if they want to save you, they will spend you. They have no other choice. My ancestors were lucky. I wonder if I will be extinct. Save me and value me. Every day is a bank account, and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have 24 hours each. Goodbye and thank you.